Hello everyone, it's still your boy Sensible. Yes, so this video I'm coming to teach you how you are going to buy a new token in your Trust wallet, how you will buy it. If you're having any coin and you want to buy in your Trust wallet, it's very simple to do. So kindly subscribe to my channel, like the video and share with your friends so that they can also get to learn about this. Okay, so now let's go. First of all, if you want to buy any coin, you need the contract address of the token. The contract address of the token. So now let's say I want to buy a coin. So now let's head towards CoinGecko. CoinGecko is where I'll go and get the contract address of the token. So this is the CoinGecko. So let's say I want to buy SafePal. This is SafePal. I want to buy their coin. So I'll just click on it. When I click on this is how it will come. So now you see the exchanges that it has been listed. Listed on Binance, LBank, BKS, Coin, Gates.io, Hotbit, KuCoin, and other places. Okay. So information you get to read about the coin you are buying. You can join their Telegram page and then the Twitter. So when you come here, so now let's go to the price chart. So when you go to the price chart, you scroll down small, you see what contract address. So you click on the contract address. So now it is built on what Binance Smart Chain and Energy, as you can see. So now I'm going to use what Binance Smart Chain. So I'll just click on it like this. Then I've copied the contract address. So now let's go to my Trust wallet. Good. So now as this is my Trust wallet, I'll add the token to the Trust wallet. So what do I have to do? I just have to click at the top here. If it is a popular coin, you just type this how do you call it, the abbreviation SafePal, SFP. As you can see, SafePal token. So you just click here to add it. Or if you don't want it like that, or it's okay, let's say it's a new token you want to buy, so I'll just click here. Then I'll click on the plus sign here. Then it is what Binance Smart Chain. So I'll just change the network to what BNB Smart Chain. It is already in Ethereum, so I'll change it. I'll just click on it, then click on what BNB Smart Chain, and then I paste the contract address. And you can see everything is just here. Okay. The SafePal token, the decimal and co. So you just click on what save. Good. So as you click on save, you go back, you type this one, then it's already there. So now let's search for it over here in my wallet. So it has been added here. So as you can see, it has been added here. So now how do we buy a coin here? So you click on what? The browser over here. This is browser. You click on it. Now we're buying from Pancake Swap. We'll use Pancake Swap to do it. But first of all, you need to have BNB Smart Chain in your account. Money, this one, BNB Smart Chain in your account. It's 2. The BNB is 2. The BNB is 2. So if you buy this one, if you buy the BNB, you will not be able to do any transaction. That's why you are seeing zero money over here. But if you buy this one, the BNB Ankasa, you will see the BNB Smart Chain. You will see you can do any transaction that you want. That's why I'm having $5 over there. So when you click on it, as you can see, I've done transaction plenty over here. So now you need what? BNB Smart Chain. So this is the BNB Smart Chain. This is the first one at the top there. So now you click on your what? On your browser. Then you click on what? Pancake Swap. Yeah. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, okay? Share with people. Share it with people. Like the video. So now, what do we have to do over here? It is what? BNB Smart Chain we are buying. So when you see the top here, it is on what? Ethereum. So we are going to change it. So you just click on it. And then you change it to what? BNB Smart Chain. And you click on what? BNB Smart Chain. So now, this is the page that will come. So you click on what? You are going to connect your wallet. You click here to connect. You click here to connect. So we are connecting our Trust wallet. So here is the Trust wallet. So you just click on it. Then you click on connect. So as you can see, we have already connected it. Yeah, we have already connected it. So now, what do you do from here? So you see at the down here, the coin you are swapping is supposed to be at the down. The coin you are swapping is supposed to be at the down. So I'm going to change the cake to SafePal. So now I'll just click on it. So now if you don't have if you already added it, then you just type the SafePal. If you don't add it, then you just paste the contract address over here. You just paste the contract address over here and it will come. But I've already added it to my wallet, so I'll just search for it. SFP. So as you can see, it has appeared over here, as you can see. So what do I have to do? I just click on it. So as you can see, what we have, what? BNB and SafePal. So now, how much are we willing to swap? So I'm having $5 over there, and if we want to use 5%, 25% to buy, 50%, 75%, or the maximum to buy it. So now you have to also check the spillage over here. You click on the settings over here to check the spillage. So you click on it here. So it's on 0.5. The spillage is on 0.5. It's too small. Okay, so let's now change it to let's now change it to, let me say, 5%. Yeah, so I'll just go back. So as I change it here, I'll click on here to go back. So now let me try what 50%. So I'll just click on the 50%. So when I buy 50%, that's 1.0 USD. Then I'll receive this amount. So as I click on 50%, I'll receive this amount in my wallet. So you just go click on what, swap. So this is this one that will come. The impact and everything, liquidity provider, then staffs. So this is what price update. So you just click on what, accept. As you click on accept, then you click on confirm swap. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah. So now this is the total amount, the fee they will charge me and other stuff. So I just click on what, approve. Then I'll put in the password. So some transactions submitted, receipt. So it means what, it has been successful. So I'll just click close. Then I'll go back to my wallet. Then I'll refresh the page. I'll refresh the page. So as you can see, my BNB tend to be what, $3 over here, and the SafePal here, as you can see, I've bought $1. So that is it. That is how you buy any coin you want in your Trust wallet. You must have what, BNB Smart Chain. Then you'll be able to, to change it to whatever coin you want. Yeah. So that is it. So take care. Subscribe to my channel. Let's have more lessons on crypto stuffs and other things, other techniques that you need to learn. Okay. All right. At this juncture, I will say au revoir. See you again.